Alright, for this one, kind of a long one. Number 8. Let's see. Question 8. For the homework. Alright, so this is saying for the function f graph to the right. That's this one. And this is supposed to be a dot. This is where it doesn't exist here, and it exists but here. I was wondering, because I was getting stuck. Alright, you don't always have to have one where there's a dot somewhere on the map there. It could just not exist. We saw that in another one, but we never chose that answer because it wasn't right on the question. But alright, so find this, select the correct answer choice, and fill in any answer boxes of your choice. I guess this would be where a box would be, these things. Alright. So -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. X is -1. Okay, yeah. So it does exist, or it is defined. Alright, select the correct choice. F4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't exist. This is what you call vertical asymptote. And, we'll see when it goes this way where it leads, when it goes this way where it leads. So this function is not defined at 4. Alright, let me see if I can copy that little graph. Oops. Use the little mouse. Copy it. Just paste it down here so we can see it. Alright. Okay. Find the limit as x approaches -4, but this means from the left side, that little negative, so coming from this way. Well, doesn't exist. -4 coming from the left. Oh, this is supposed to be the graph here. It's supposed to go that way. Oh man, I don't know how they made that. So this is supposed to be a dot, and this is supposed to be a line. This is part of the graph. I was wondering what all that jumbleness was. I thought it was this, but the little edge. Alright, so -4 approaching from the left is if you're coming from this way. There's nothing up here, so you don't even know about all this. So it's -1. -1, it does exist. That's how you check. Alright, we'll see more and you'll get the idea. X approaches -4 from the right side, or the positive side, or the greater side. As it approaches -4, it is 1, 2, 3, 3. So it's 3. And x approaches, and find the limit of x approaches -4. Select the correct choice below and fill in any answer boxes of your choice. Well, it doesn't exist, right? Because the whole point is, and this is good because this is kind of like the next lesson. If you approach from this side and you get one value, which is what we get a -1. And then if you approach from this side and you get a different value, which is 3, right? Approach from the left side, the negative. Approach from the right side, the positive. And you get two different values, then the limit doesn't exist. So that doesn't exist. Let's see. Alright, I'll just make sure I can see it all. Alright, find the limit as x approaches +4. Select the correct choice from the positive side. Select the correct choice below and fill in any answer boxes in your choice. So 4 from the positive side. Oops. This is 4, and this is from the positive side. Well, it looks like it's approaching infinity, doesn't it? Let's make these. Well, it looks like it's approaching infinity. So that'd be your answer, infinity. Because it just keeps going up and up and up, and it'll never reach 4, and the y value will get forever and ever, or the f of x value will get forever and ever. And so that's our answer. It approaches infinity. In this one, if we were to look at it, if x approaches 4 as x approaches 4 from the negative side, or from the lesser side, that would be negative infinity. Because it keeps going down and down and down and down. Yeah, that's it. That was easy. 5 minutes.